Hello students and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Prakash. And in this video I am going to discuss in some detail regarding two kinds of ads under classified advertisement, for sale and too late. So in part second of classified advertisement, as I said, we are going to discuss in some detail for sale and too late. We will discuss essential value points to be incorporated while designing such advertisements and one sample ad. As we proceed further, let us discuss sale and purchase related advertisement. Such kind of advertisements are written in an attempt to sell property or office related goods. And the essential details to be incorporated in general are: begin with for sale, purchase or available. Mention the type of accommodation, vehicle, household items. Give a brief physical description. End with contact address and phone numbers. Now there are three sub-kinds of ad under sale and purchase, which we are going to discuss. A. Property, and the specific details are: specify size, floor, number of rooms, etc. Mention fixtures and fittings. Give the location and surroundings. Price expected or offered, or you can write price negotiable. Next, vehicle, and the specific details are: state model, year of manufacturing. Specify the condition, mileage done. Give color and accessories, etc. Price expected or offered, or as I said, you can write price negotiable. So when you are writing specific details related to vehicles, you can add other relevant point too related to the document of the vehicles, stating that documents complete in all aspects or all parts intact. That means the vehicle is in good condition. Now the next kind of ad is household goods, and the specific details are: mention brand, model, year of manufacturing. Specify material in case of furniture. Give present condition. Price expected or offered, or you can write price negotiable. Now let's study some sample ads. First ad is related to for sale accommodation. So this is heading for sale accommodation. If you write, you will get 1 mark. And in content, available an MIG apartment at A-43E in Gopal Nagar, Delhi, for sale. Has all amenities of modern living. 3 bedrooms, attached baths, a drawing cum dining room with full woodwork, premium fittings and fixtures, marble flooring and a family lawn. So this is what the physical description of accommodation. Area 900 square feet. All facilities available in the vicinity. You can further extend this point by stating what are the facilities available. Say for example, school, railway station, medical facility, etc. Price negotiable, or you can write expected price. For fair price deal, call, write mobile number, or email, write your email address. Now let's see the next sample ad related to vehicle. For immediate sale, in bracket you can write vehicle. And the essential details are for immediate sale, Bajaj Super 2010 model in excellent running condition. All necessary accessories intact. Average around 45 km per liter. So here you can see the physical description in which model number, year of model or year of manufacturing, condition of the vehicle, and about accessories, that all accessories intact, and average. All these details are mentioned. Next point is documents complete in all respects. Then color, grey, price negotiable. Interested person may contact, write your name, address, and contact number. Okay. Now let's see next sample ad. For sale, heading, you will get 1 mark. Or if you want, you can write in bracket for sale, whether vehicle, property, household goods, etc. Content, available black Maruti Swift Dzire, ZXi year 2016, self-driven, cautiously used, scratchless, with a zero and with a stereo and perfectly working air conditioner. No scratches. Beautiful upholstery. Good condition. Interested may contact Ram or Rajni and phone number. So here you can see physical description is given. Then condition of the vehicle is mentioned. That then the good condition. You can add any other relevant point, say for example related to documents or color, etc. Let's move to the next ad, sample ad, that is related to appliances for sale. And the content, available for sale, 1 refrigerator, 1 LCD TV 32 inches, 1 double bed, and 1 branded almirah. All the items are in good condition. So this is what second point. Okay. In first line, what are the items which are to be sold are mentioned. Second point states about condition of the all articles. Okay. Now specific information about refrigerator. Refrigerator is double door with all features. Bed and almirah of appealing design. This is what third point. Point number 4 is here, price negotiable. Then contact Vaidehi, phone number, address, and city. Now next kind of ad is too late. And such kind of ad is written by a person looking for tenants for his or her property. And the essential details are begin with available or too late. Mention the type of accommodation to let or require on rent. Give a brief description of the accommodation. And the sub-points to be included are size, floor, number of rooms, etc. Fixtures and fittings, location and surroundings. Rent expected, and end with contact address and phone numbers. And now sample ad, too late accommodation. And here goes the content, too late, exquisitely designed house with all amenities of modern living, 3 bedrooms, attached baths, a drawing cum dining room with full woodwork, premium fittings and fixtures, marble flooring and a family lawn, area 900 square feet, all facilities available in the vicinity, price negotiable, only central government families need to contact. So this is what you expect. If you want your rent to be paid timely and monthly without fail, then you must specify. As we all know that central government employees, they get their salary monthly without fail. So there will not be any issues of related to the payment of rent. And the last point is, for fair price deal, call contact number or email address. Dear students, we have learnt for sale and to let classified advertisement, and I have tried to incorporate maximum essential details or value points in the sample ads. If you say that for sale accommodation and to let accommodation, almost value points are same, only 2-3 points you have to change. This is because once you prepare for sale, then with less efforts you can prepare to let. Okay? But these are suggestive value points I have incorporated in sample ads. Apart these value points, if there is any other point, relevant point you think you should add, please add it. And as I said in my part first video, for getting 4 out of 4 marks in advertisement, what is required? Practice. Do practice. Okay, then you will get 4 out of 4 marks. Okay, dear friends and my dear students, I hope you must have learnt now about for sale and to let advertisement. With this, we come to an end of this topic. I hope you like the lesson. Thank you for watching my video, and for many more such videos, please do subscribe my channel Learn English with Prakash. Thank you.